Hello, my dear students. I am Vanshika Srivastava, your chemistry educator. And students, today we are going to study a very important topic from class 10th chemistry, that is types of chemical reaction. This is a very short topic from the chapter 1, which is chemical reactions and equations. So quickly we will recap this topic. Types of chemical reactions. There are 4 types of chemical reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. We'll start with combination reaction. Now, what does this word mean? Combine. Two elements or two molecules will combine and form a very new product that is known as combination reaction. I'll give you an example of it. If we'll combine magnesium and oxygen, what you will get? Magnesium oxide. See, we have combined magnesium and oxygen. These two are different elements, right? And we have formed a very new product, that is magnesium oxide. We'll balance it. See, this is known as combination reaction. Okay, now let's come to decomposition reaction. Decompose. What does this word decompose means? To break down. We are breaking down a compound. For say, if we take AB and we have to break it down by giving some external energy, we'll get A and B, different elements and the molecules. This is known as decomposition reaction. Now, what type of energy we are giving? We have divided 3 types of energies. What are those? Thermal energy, thermal decomposition reaction. I'll give an example of it. Let's say PbNO3 whole twice, and I have given heat to it. Like I have heated lead nitrate. So what I'll get? I'll get lead oxide, NO2 and O2. These two gases are released in this reaction. So what basically I have done is I have provided heat to lead nitrate and it has broken down into lead oxide, NO2 and oxygen. Now this reaction is very important from the examination point of view, as in the exam it has been asked many of the times that if we heat lead nitrate, which gases are released? So which gases are released? NO2 and O2, right? So we'll balance this quickly. 2, okay, and 4. See, right? So this is known as thermal decomposition reaction. We'll come to electrolysis. What does electrolysis means? Like we are providing electricity to break down any compound. If I'll take H2O and give certain amount of electricity, I'll pass certain amount of electricity, it will break down into H2 and O2. See, this is known as decomposition. Which one? Electrolytic, electrolysis, or we can say it. Okay. Now next is photochemical. What does photochemical means? We are providing light. How come light? If I'll say I'll take AgBr and provide certain amount of light, it will break down into Ag plus Br2. It will become this. We have balanced the reaction. Now this is known as photochemical decomposition reaction, which means we have given certain amount of light to AgBr and it has been broken down into silver and bromine. This is known as decomposition reaction. Now let's come to displacement reaction. What does displacement means? Displacement means we have displaced something. We have changed the position of certain element or certain things. Okay. For example, I'll just generalize it and I'll write AB plus C gives AC plus B. So what basically in this reaction we have seen that the B has been displaced with C. It has formed AC plus B. Okay, I'll give you an example of displacement reaction. We'll take, okay, very common example, Zn plus CuSO4. Now in this reaction, Cu will be displaced by which element? Zn, and it will form ZnSO4 plus Cu. This is known as displacement reaction. Okay, now we'll quickly come to double displacement reaction. Double displacement means the displacement is happening twice, right? Or two elements are being displaced by each other. For example, AgNO3 plus NaCl. Okay, now in this AgNO3 plus NaCl, we'll get AgCl, that is silver chloride, and NaNO3. So in this reaction, what has happened? NO3 is been displaced by is being displaced by what? Cl. And in the place of Cl, what has came? NO3. So it has formed AgCl plus NaNO3, and this is known as double displacement reaction. One more type of reaction is also there. I'll just write it down here. Redox reaction. You might have heard about it, or you might have noted down in your textbook. So I'll give a quick example of it. CuO plus H2 gives H2O plus Cu. What is a redox reaction? In which reduction and oxidation is being taking place simultaneously. How is reduction and oxidation taking place? See, this is CuO, copper oxide, and it has been changed to Cu. It means that oxygen is losing, like oxygen is lost from this compound, and in this H2 is being changed to H2O. It means it has gained oxygen. So there are two types. Reduction, it means loss of oxygen. So where is the loss of oxygen happening? In the CuO. See, oxygen is been lost and Cu is been formed. That is known as reduction. And the oxidation, it means gain of oxygen. Gain of oxygen. How come gain of oxygen? H2 has gained oxygen and formed H2O. That is known as oxidation, and this whole reaction combiningly is known as redox reaction. And that is whole about types of chemical reaction. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.